हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द अनदर स्टॉक वॉच एपिसोड सीरीज। आज इस नए वीडियो के अंदर मैं एक और स्टॉक के साथ आपके साथ बात करूंगा और डिटेल में हम इसका एनालिसिस चेक करेंगे और देखेंगे कि स्टॉक में हम क्या हिसाब से एक प्रॉपर एनालिसिस कर पाए। सो कौन सा है वो स्टॉक, वो जानने के लिए ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिए। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है यज्ञेश पटेल और आज स्टॉक वॉच एपिसोड में हम और एक नया एपिसोड के बाद बात करेंगे जिसमें TV18 ब्रॉडकास्ट का स्टॉक हम चेक करेंगे ऑन कपल ऑफ मोर टाइम फ्रेम्स एंड फ्यू सिग्नल्स। सो चेक करेंगे कि क्या उसमें हम देखेंगे कि क्या रीजंस थे कि हमने इसको शॉर्ट टेस्ट किया है। TV18 ब्रॉडकास्ट एक केबल इंडस्ट्री के बिलोंग करता है, जहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि लास्ट कुछ ट्रेडिंग सेशंस में उसमें जो अनयूजुअल एक्टिविटी दिख रही है with respect to the price and the volume। सो इसमें हमने क्लियरली फोकस किया है प्राइस एक्शन पे और वॉल्यूम एनालिसिस पे, और उसके बाद जो हम चेक करते हैं मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम में उस हिसाब से भी देखा है। यहाँ पे स्टॉक में हमने एक बहुत बेहतरीन एक जो सिग्नल देखा है वो है कि उसने लास्ट 3 मंथ का हाई भी क्रॉस किया है। सो जब भी स्टॉक अगर इतने टाइम फ्रेम मतलब शॉर्ट टर्म के अंदर 3 मंथ एक बड़ा पीरियड कहा जाता है, तो 3 मंथ का अगर कंसोलिडेशन ब्रेक कर रहा है तो वो एक अच्छा सिग्नल माना जाता है, जो हमने इसमें देखा है। आप देखोगे चार्ट के अंदर भी, और जब हम पूरा इसका एनालिसिस देखेंगे तो। और लास्ट टाइम हमने MRPL का स्टॉक एक देखा था, रिकमेंड किया था, एनालिसिस हमने उसका देखा था लास्ट सीरीज़ के अंदर, जिसने बहुत ही बेहतरीन परफॉर्म किया। नेक्स्ट मंडे से हमको उसमें बड़ा मूवमेंट देखा। थ्रू आउट द डे, थ्रू आउट द वीक इसके अंदर बड़ा मोमेंटम रहा है। इंस्पायर्ड के मार्केट में काफ़ी ऊपर नीचे उथक पथक हुई हमने देखा, बट फिर भी स्टॉक ने बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्म किया है। सो आपने देखा कि जो सिंप्लिसिटी अगर हम रखते हैं एनालिसिस में वो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहती है। चलिए आपका ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए हम स्क्रीन पे चलते हैं। हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द स्क्रीन। दिस इज द डेली चार्ट ऑफ TV18 ब्रॉडकास्ट स्पॉट प्राइस चार्ट, and we have seen a good couple of signals onto this chart. And the first one is the momentum, the price, the candlesticks, the momentum, the volumes. These are the few things which have catched our eyes to shortlist this stock for the next couple of days. And a very nice consolidation has been placed in this counter since so long, so many months, and which has near to end and having a good breakouts, multiple breakouts here. I'll show you. So let's start analysis with the higher time frame. We will do analysis with multi time frame, which is our favorite practice. Let's convert to the monthly chart. This is the higher time frame monthly chart. One candle denote 1 month. This is the February month. This is the March. March is just started, so it's not completing this candle. And if you can focus here, the last candle was a kind of reversal candlestick pattern at bottom. So that's another very good sign. One more here is, let me do it on a line chart. It's a kind of bottom formation here, double bottom formation. Importantly, swing low support I am focusing here, which has just crossed here and then again back to the same level. So that's a kind of advanced price action. Price has slightly closed below that level and then back to the again upside of the same support zone. So kind of you can say a small false breakout on downside, but up next month appear a reversal candlestick pattern. Importantly, last month candlestick high also crossed. Last month high has been crossed. In fact, couple of months, let's say from December month is the highest high, which has crossed in the March. March has been not crossed. March has been not over yet. This is the first week of the March only, and we have seen a good momentum with higher volumes on a monthly time frame. And we can check the February month volume is less compared to the March month, only first week volume. So first week of March month has crossed the entire February month volume. So basically, with the price action and with the volume, we can simply say there is a higher probability of this stock for in next couple of days to be upside momentum is might possible. We have seen RSI is between 40-60, so not a that much great sign with the RSI, and because it's between 40-60. Let's now convert. One more thing here is the Fibonacci support here, which is exactly at 50% support somewhere here. Since so many months from October month, it has protected this 50% retracement level. So that's a very good sign. And it has also crossed, resisted at around 38% level also, which is around 31, which has also crossed in this month. So at least 38% and 50% was the consolidation zone on the monthly chart after up move. So that's a great sign. Now let's move to the weekly time frame. If I can simple focus on the candlestick pattern, which is a big body white candle. So body is very big here. Simply we can say this is a bullish momentum with a higher volume. You can see in last 6 months, volume has been not created like this, which has created in this week, the first week of March. Lastly, it was created somewhere here in July. After that, more than 6 months has been passed. The moving average slope is here upside. After a good move, market is trying to take support near the moving average. So it is actually a base here. This is the area of, previously it was a resistance which has broken out somewhere here in the June month. It has tested here again, some small pullback and then again testing. So horizontal support is also placed here along with the moving average support. Trend is resuming on upside with a higher momentum. Also the volumes are increasing. RSI is above 60 zone, it's showing a great high momentum, bullish trend on a weekly time frame. And one more important thing is here, I can see simply draw a trend line breakout is also happened here. Okay. So many signals are there, and I have just explained you there are multiple of breakouts here. Yes, near to support zone, moving average support, Fibonacci ratio support, volume is also supporting, candlestick also supporting. So many signals are there on the weekly chart. And importantly here, the bottom has been placed here and next bottom is here. So higher bottom has been placed. Expecting this high to be crossed in next couple of months because this is a weekly chart. So that's how it will be creating a higher tops again here. If this is a top again, if this cross, then next higher top will be formed. So right now it has formed the lower bottoms, higher bottoms here. This is a bottom and this is another bottom which is higher compared to this one. Expecting cross this in next couple of months, then it will be a higher tops. So form also following the uptrend definition with the Dow theory. Now let's convert to the daily time frame. And let me clear this all the thing. So by looking at this candlestick pattern, volumes are great. A big volume has been created. You can see here also a big volume created. So if this has been the volume which has created by the big players, we retails can't create this much amount of volume on a single day. Somebody has accumulated this stock in this day on the 1st of March, 2 to 3 more days consolidation. Again, trend has been resumed upside with a higher volumes. So definitely something is cooking up in this counter. You can always hide the price. If you can focus, the price has not crossed around, not has been crossing this zone, but volumes are spiked up. So within a price limit, somebody is accumulating this counter very interestingly. So now I am also very interested in this counter. So by looking at the price, RSI is taking support at 60, which already is above 60, but now it's dipping and taking support 60, which is an extremely bullish signal. One more thing here, I just draw one trend line here, and it has given a good breakout here, retest of trend line CIP. If I can draw one more here, this is a triangle pattern breakout also here. So expecting a good momentum in next couple of days in this counter. Now let's look at we have seen the price, the trend, then the price with volumes, momentum. Now let's take the volatility also. Let me add the Bollinger Bands. And this is a squeeze breakout of Bollinger Band. That's again good sign. Squeeze has been opened and we can see expansion of the volatility here. So that's a great sign. The moving average here is showing a resistance which has crossed here with big volumes. Now it's taking support. So a couple of good signals are there. There is a trend line breakout also here, retest of this trend line, CIP. Again, there is a one triangle formation breakout, the price pattern, okay, extremely bullish pattern this is. And the breakout is also appear with a good volume. See the volume activity which has not appeared since last so many months. You can see here, that was the year in July month. And after that, in exactly on March month, more than 6 months has been passed. So somebody is seriously accumulating this counter by looking at the price, so many signals, and with the volumes, we can confirmly say that. Okay. Now let's discuss about the levels, which levels to be focused. Before that, this is not a buy and sell recommendation. This is just for the educational purpose of chart analysis. So let's discuss the levels. Right now it's trading around 34 level. Okay. So what could be the possible resistance zone for this counter? I can see here, this is a selling area around 40-41. Okay. So let's take, this is the resistance, and also we can simply check the Fibonacci retracement, which is also around, the 261 is around 42%, 42 level, and 61%, 161 is around 37. And I can also check one more here, which is a very small one. So 37 is combined by two Fibonacci retracement levels. So my first target is around 37 and half, and the next one is exactly this high. Let me mark this one, 41. This could be a possible target for the next couple of days in TV18 Broadcast Limited. What could be your important area of stop loss? I'll focus here this moving average, because this is swing support, trend line breakout retest. So I will keep my stop loss slightly below this level. The level is around 31.25. So I will take around 30.60. 30.60 will be my area of stop loss. If this counter will take some small dip, that is a good area to entry and good strategy to enter in this counter. So let's meet in outer video now.
सो आई होप आपने पूरा वीडियो देख लिया होगा और देखा आपने कि कैसे हमने मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस जो हम हर बार करते हैं उसमें एक सिंप्लिसिटी का एक अप्रोच रखा है कि वॉल्यूम एनालिसिस, और हमने प्राइस एक्शन को बहुत ही बड़े से प्यार एकदम से फोकस किया है प्रॉपरली। और बाकी जो हम कंफर्मेशन टूल तो हम हमेशा यूज़ करते हैं, जो हमारा जो एनालिसिस का स्ट्रेंथ है उसको और वो बढ़ावा देता है, इसलिए कंफर्मेशनरी टूल आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। बट सिर्फ प्राइस और वॉल्यूम भी काफ़ी है अगर आप उसको प्रॉपरली समझ पाओ तो इस हिसाब से हमने देखा कि पूरा जो एनालिसिस में हमने देखा कि एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है इसमें, और जिस हिसाब से प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म हो रहा है, कुछ पैटर्न्स भी हमने देखी, वो भी बहुत ही पावरफुल पैटर्न है एक ट्रेड करने के लिए। तो उस पर हम ध्यान देंगे आने वाले कुछ दिनों के लिए, कुछ सप्ताह के लिए। अगर आपको डिटेल में ये सब सीखना है तो आप मेरा जो बेसिक एनालिसिस का एक ट्रेनिंग मैं लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट वीक में, तो आप बने रहिए। डिस्क्रिप्शन मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक मैंने दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहाँ से आप जुड़ जाइए। सबसे पहले मैं वहीं अनाउंसमेंट करूँगा, बाद में आपको यूट्यूब पे भी उसका अनाउंसमेंट मिल जाएगा, तो वहाँ से आप सीख पाओगे। अगर आप बिल्कुल नया हो कि मार्केट में आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस आपने शुरू ही किया सीखना, तो उसको कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट है जो बहुत ही पावरफुल है और जो सीखने चाहिए अगर आप शुरू कर रहे हो या फिर आपने ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर लिया, वो सारी चीज़ें हमने इसमें कवर की है। सो बने रहिए, टेलीग्राम चैनल को आप मेंबर बनिए, उसमें से आपको पता लगेगा कब उसका लॉन्चिंग डेट है और कहाँ से आप उसको सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हो। और ये रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन में रहेगा, आप अपने और से कहीं से भी आप देख पाओगे अपने टाइम के हिसाब से, ठीक है। सो मिलते हैं कोई और नेक्स्ट लेसन के अंदर, नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, और बात करेंगे कोई और स्टॉक एनालिसिस के बारे में। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस।